Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. Yeah, for that we will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, then you have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something here. Or the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what's very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website and something like this. After you can share this edited part here, or with the arrow, you can send this edited part directly to your gallery. Yeah, and as I said, there's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that we will need the edge of our palm. So it's just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. One more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having your screenshot as well. By the way, this works also if the phone is unfolded. Just take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you are having a screenshot. Pretty cool. And the button method works here, of course, as well. Yeah, where to find the screenshots? After, of course, here at the gallery. And here the pictures, they are mixed up with your camera photos and videos and so on. This is why I would recommend to you to go to the albums, because here we have an own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.